Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today my model is coming in and we're going to remove acrylic nails. This technique that I'm going to show you is going to ensure that you will have no damage to your natural nail. So let's get started. Okay everyone, so as you can see, my client has come back after 4.5 weeks, and here we have a good amount of outgrowth. This time what we're going to do is we're going to remove her acrylics completely off, and we're going to see how her natural nails look like underneath. One of the things that I notice whenever my clients come back to me is that they remove their nails by either ripping them off, pulling them off, grabbing, some type of tool and taking them off. You don't want to do that, because by doing so, you are going to be pulling or removing some of your natural layers, which is going to cause harm to your nails. So by doing this, the way that I will be teaching you today, it will save your nails and you will have a nice, smooth end result. So the first step that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing the shine from the acrylic nail, and I'm going to be doing this on all 10 of her fingernails. So some of the tools that you might want to use to remove the shine is a removal bit. I personally like to use a medium grit sanding bit. Okay, so I'm going to start off the process by grabbing my e-file, and I'm going to start removing the shine and the product from the cuticle area going down to the free edge. So by doing this is going to help you speed up the process a little bit faster, and that way your client doesn't have to sit for such a long time. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to soak the lint-free wipe, and you're going to be soaking it with acetone. Then you're going to take your client's nail, place it right over her fingernail. Then you're going to get your foil paper and you're going to wrap up your client's nails, and you're going to make sure that it's nice and snug. And this is going to help the acetone heat up, which is going to help the removal go a little bit faster. Okay guys, so now that we have waited our 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and remove the foil. You're going to get your cuticle pusher and you're just going to remove the excess acrylic, and you're going to do this very gently. As you can see, it's peeling right off, so this is not going to cause any harm to the nail. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is what your nail is going to look like once you remove the acrylic. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a file and you're just going to shape the natural nail into its desired shape. So next, I'm going to take a buffer and I'm just going to lightly buff around her natural nail. So as you can see, once we're done buffing, the nail looks healthy, the nail looks good, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take our long-lasting top coat and we're going to apply it over the natural nail. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to moisturize her cuticles by using Kiara Sky Nourishing Oil. So this is going to help your cuticles stay nice and moisturized. This is one of my favorite oils. It smells so nice and your clients are going to love this. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to properly remove acrylics. And if you guys have any suggestions on our next videos, go ahead and leave a comment. Bye!